Welcome ladies back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a purse review on Brandon Blackwood, one of his Sophia collections. I want you to check it out, so y'all stay tuned. So let's get into it. I'm so excited to see what we got in the box. I haven't opened it just yet. So I took advantage of the Black Friday deal. This purse was originally for $300 and I got it for about $180. So I got a pretty decent deal on it. So sit tight. This is the Sophia bag, and it's the blue croc embossed, the gold hardware. So let me see. This is a card. Thank you for your purchase. This is our dust bag here. Yes, this gold is already calling me. Wow. Ooh, this is a nice bag. I am not even mad at all. We have the Brandon Blackwood imprint right in the front. And this is again the blue croc embossed bag, the Sophia bag. We open the baby up. Seal gold hardware. This is our buttons that's inside. We open it up. I absolutely love gold hardware, so I had to get it. Pocket there with the zipper, gold hardware. It's so beautiful. So happy I caught this deal. I love this color blue. This is gorgeous. Very good quality in my opinion. I have no complaints here. Here's the back. Here's the chain. Beautiful. At the bottom. So for my other purse that I have from Brandon Blackwood, I actually took these off. I don't know if some people actually keep these on or not, but it's protecting the gold. Love this bag. I definitely give this a 10 out of 10. In my opinion, I like it a lot. It's very soft and it really gives me a spring vibe, but that's probably why it was on sale. But I have no problem. I'll have it for next spring or even now. I don't care. Had to bring out the measurement tape. It's about 10 inches wide. And this is the side here. Let's see here, the measurement on that. It's about 4 inches on the side. This is enough room to put your iPhone in there, your lip gloss, your wallet, I think it's just enough room to put your keys and everything in there. You know what? I did not even notice this front part. Okay, Sophia. Didn't even see it. Okay, so we got a compartment in the front, one in the back here. Okay. Not even mad at it at all. I do love that this box is like lined with the sponge in here. I absolutely love this bag. Cannot complain. So I actually just looked on the website and I did not see any more of these. I don't know if they sold out or they're gonna be bringing them back. I'm not sure, but I'm so glad that I got one because this purse is too cute. I cannot be mad at all for a sale. It's just lovely. Love it. Love her. Love Sophia's purse. Okay. Only thing about this bag, since it does have a suede feel to it, I have to be careful not to get no makeup on this bag. no stains, no grease, no food, no, don't get it wet, nothing, no lip gloss, nothing, no grease, oil. You don't want that on this bag. So I probably wouldn't make this an everyday bag, even though I really wish I could. I probably could, but I just do not want to get this dirty. So this is definitely gonna be like a special occasion bag for me. So I will keep this with the other ones that I don't wear every day. All right, I really enjoyed making this video to show you the review of the purse that I got during the Black Friday sale. Thank y'all for watching again. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all next time.